गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
कैसे है सर?
अच्छा
हैप्पी
है।
दीपावली।
हैप्पी दीपावली। Just wait a few minutes, then we will start the session. Okay.
ओके सर।
ब्रैकेट वाला में ही दिक्कत है।
Okay, so now we will start the session. Actually, almost 5 minutes is over. So, good morning, all of you, first of all, and happy Diwali to all in advance. And in the last class, we discussed about the binary arithmetic, and in this portion, actually, in this class, we covered the binary addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So binary division part is not covered in that class. Okay. So first, today we will cover the binary division. Then we will move for the further topic. Okay. So first, the screen is visible for all of you.
यस सर।
Okay. So first, I am here writing uh, binary division. Okay, so binary division is a simple method. Okay, so you already know how the division takes place, or how division occurs. So in the same manner, okay, so here you will do the binary division. First, suppose I am here giving one formula, and with the help of this formula, we are trying to understand how the binary division occurred. Okay, so here, suppose the problem is divide 10101 by 110. Right. This problem is given here. Now, 101101. Okay. So first, we should consider that how much bit first we will take for the first division. Okay, so here you can see this is 110. 110 means in decimal what?
6.
6. So here this is 3 bit. So if we consider 3 bit, so here from this to 3 bit, that is 101. 101 means
5.
5. So 6 divided by 5, it is possible?
No, sir.
No. So in this manner, we will consider that how much bit we needed to start the division process. Okay. So here, first of all, we are considering 4 bit for first step. Okay. So first step 1011. Okay. For 1011 here, so this is 1 times. So this is 110. Okay, 110. So from this 1011, now we will subtract 110. So 1 minus 0 means
1.
1 minus 1 means,
0.
and यहाँ पर 0 minus 1 means
1.
1, यहाँ पर borrow, so 0, so it is not required. So this is 101 again. So again, so here we are getting now 1 bit. So this is 1010. This bit here we are considering. So again, we are giving here 1 times. So if it is 1 times, that is 110. So again subtracting 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 1. Again we have here 1. So this one. So here again 1, 0, 0, 1. So again 1 time. So it is 1, 1, 0. So this is 1, and this is 0 minus 1. So it is 1. And again this is 0 minus 1 minus 1. So it is 0. So now it is 1, 1. Okay. It is 1, 1, and at this moment we have no bit. So by putting point, we can use 0 here. Okay. So if we put here 1, so 1 times it is 1, 1, 0. Okay, so this is 0, 0, and 0. So the result is 111.1. It is clear for all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this way, the division procedure takes place. Okay. So is there any doubt? I think no. Is there any doubt?
नो सर
Okay. So
बट एक
now,
और क्वेश्चन करवा दीजिए सर इस पे
okay. So now I am giving one problem to solve. Suppose it is 110101.11 divided by 101. जिसका हो जाएगा सेकंड वाला प्रॉब्लम, वो उसका आंसर चैट बॉक्स में पुट करना. Anuj, your answer is not correct. No, still, Uttam, your answer is also not correct. No, I am still now I am not getting the right answer. Yes, now I am getting the right answer from Anjali Kumari. She gave me the right answer. That is 1010.11. So I will give you 1 or 2 minutes for this problem, then we will see. Okay, so now we will see the second problem, that is 1101.11 divided by 101. So 101 means
5.
5, and if we consider 3 bit, that is here 6. Up to 3 bit it is 6. So this is 1 times it is 101. So
Sir, 01010.
no. So here after subtraction, we are getting, that is 0 minus 1. So it is 1, and here it is 0. Okay. So here from this we are taking 1. So after taking 1, this is the value is now 3, but here it is 5. So it is not divisible. So here we are putting 0. Okay, we are putting 0, and now we are taking from this 0. So now this is 4 and 2 means 6. This value is 6, so it is 5. So it is 1 times. So it is 101. So again, this is 0 minus 1 1, and this is 0. So again I am taking from 1. So it is now again not divisible. So here I am putting 0. Okay. So after that there is a after that there is a point. So now the from this we are getting 1. So here for 1 times this is 101. So this is 0, this is 1, and this is 0, and here this is 1. So for 1 times this is 101. This is 0 0 and 0. Okay. So in this way you can divide any number, that is 1010.
Hello, sir.
Sorry, this is 1. Yeah. Tell
सर
me,
आंसर तो सर वही चीज हुआ सर जो हम बोले थे
कौन सा?
इसी का सर जो रिमाइंडर आया 101 सर इसका आगे तो 0 भी हम लगा सकते हैं क्योंकि सर ये तो बाइनरी में है ना
तुम चैट में लिखे हो आंसर?
नहीं सर चैट में नहीं माइक से बोले थे डायरेक्ट
तो तुम्हारा वैल्यू हमको जो सुनने में आया है 1010.11 नहीं था, इसीलिए हम रॉन्ग आंसर बोले थे। सपोज
सर हम किए कॉपी में सर यही आया
यही है तो ठीक है।
यस
ठीक है। If you are getting this answer, so your answer is correct. If not, then your answer is wrong. Okay. So you want another problem for binary division?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose divide 100 triple 1 0 by 100.
सर हो गया सर।
ठीक है, आंसर इज परफेक्ट. I think now you are getting. Okay, so let's see here. 1001110. So this is 1 times 100. Again 1. So it is not divisible. So it is 0. So we are taking 1 and this is 0. Okay, again it is not divisible. So we are taking 1. So now it is 1 times, that is 100. So it is 1 and 1. And yeah, this is 1 and 1. And now this is 0. So 1 times it is 100. So this is 10. But we have no bits here. So we are giving a point. So with these points, we are getting here 0. So this is 1. So okay. So the value of this division is this. I think now it is clear for all of you.
Yes sir.
Okay. So now we will move forward for the next topic. Okay. Now we will discuss, that is the representation of signed number. Before going to start, yeah. Now we will discuss, that is the representation of signed number. Okay, so First of all, for representation of sign number, there are two methods. Okay. First one is that sign magnitude representation. And the second one is that complement method. Okay. So first, we will start, that is the sign magnitude representation. So what is signed number? Actually, in digital electronics or in any, if we consider that seven is a number, but +7 and -7, these are this digit has different significance. So first, we want to know what is the difference between the signed number and normal number. Here normal number is 7 and these two are signed number. Here you are getting the plus sign and here you are getting the minus sign. Okay, so this signed number has some sign. Okay, so if you sorry, you just remember always that for plus it is always 0 here, for minus it is denoted as 1. Okay, so sign, if we consider the 7 in binary, what is the value? What is the value? 7 in decimal, if we consider it binary, what is the value?
0.
0.
111.
Yeah, 7, normal 7, it is 1 1 1. So for +7, for plus always here 0 and 7 means 111. So +7 means what? +7 means what?
0111.
Yeah, +7 means 0 1 1 1 and -7 means 1 1 1 1. This digit is for plus and this one is for minus. So in any question, in any examination, normally in GATE exam, you are getting like that when you are getting this type of question, suppose the representation of -7 in now suppose here 11. Magnitude. Okay, so there is a yeah, representation of 15. in sign magnitude. Okay, so here you can get like this 1 1 1 1. Just 1 minute. Like that, there is a problem like that, representation of 1 1 1 1 in the form of sign magnitude. So normally 1 1 1 1 means what? This is in binary, but in decimal 1 1 1 1 means what?
15.
जोर से चाहिए. I am getting only one response.
Sir, 15, sir.
15, sir.
15. 1 1 1 1 means in decimal it is 15. Okay, good. But the question is that representation of 1 1 1 1 in the form of sign magnitude. So if this term is given in your question 1 1 1 1 in the form of sign magnitude, so this digit should considered as a minus, because minus is denoted by the 1 here when it is sign in the form of sign magnitude. So if it is sign magnitude, so we have 3 bits, that is 1 1 1. 1 1 1 means 7. So in that case, this is the right answer, that is the minus 7. If the sign magnitude is not given, in that case the answer is 15. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this is
sir.
the significance of a sign magnitude form. Okay, so for the suppose just one, I am erase these things. Only 6 minutes left for the first session, so I am requesting all the participants to put your name in the chat box for attendance for the first session. Okay, for the syntax of the sign magnitude, representation of sign number, syntax is like syntax. This is sign bit, and this is the actual binary. So plus 9. What is the value for plus 9?
Zero 1 0 1.
0 1 0 0 1. You have said
Yes, sir.
yes, absolutely. Because for 9, for 9, this is 8 plus 1, so this is 1 0 0 1, and this is plus for plus. I have said for the case of 0. If it is minus, so in that case it is 1 1 0 0 1. You are getting or not?
Yes.
It is clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this way,
Yes, sir.
this is the process of a representation of sign number. The first one is where I have till now discussed only the sign magnitude representation. Okay. The next is the complement from. So first,
सर इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम है,
हाँ,
जैसे अगर सिंपली लिखा हुआ है 01001 तो हम
01?
कैसे जानेंगे कि ये 001?
हाँ।
तो जैसे ये लिखा हुआ है तो हम कैसे जानेंगे कि ये +9 ही लिखा हुआ है? और यहाँ पे लिखा रहता 11001 तो हम उसको -1 क्यों मानेंगे और उसको हमें तो 9 एंड
एक बार बोलो, हमको समझ में नहीं रहा जो बोल रहे हो।
लाइक सर यहाँ पे अगर लिखा हुआ है 11001
11001, हाँ
तो ये 25 हुआ डेसिमल में,
हाँ,
तो हम इसको 25 नहीं मान करके -9 हम क्यों मानेंगे?
क्यों मानेंगे नहीं, क्वेश्चन में बता देंगे जिस टाइम जो साइन मैग्नीट्यूड रिप्रेजेंटेशन उस टाइम ही तुमको मानना पड़ेगा, बाकी सारा टाइम में 25 ही मानना होगा। इट इज क्लियर?
ओके सर।
जब क्वेश्चन में वो बता देंगे उस टाइम ही तुमको सिर्फ साइन मैग्नीट्यूड रिप्रेजेंटेशन से ये वैल्यू निकालना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो जो नॉर्मली आ रहा है वही तुमको बोलना पड़ेगा और लिखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? It is clear?
यस सर।
Okay, so next is the complement from. Okay, so for complement from there are two complement. The category is two complement. One is ones complement and second one is two's complement. So first we should know how from any binary number how we are getting one complement and two complement. Okay, so now I am erasing these things. Suppose one's complement. Suppose here I am giving one number that is 10010010110. Okay, this is a binary number. So the first complement. So when we need the first complement, you just put the reverse value. Reverse value means when it is 0, we will take or consider 1, and when it is 1, we will take 0. Okay, so in that case it is 10 10 11 0 110. This is the first complement of this binary number. This is the first complement. Okay, so in this way, and this is the reversible process, so in this way you will get the first complement. So from this first complement you will get the second complement. So how we will get the second complement? So second complement equals to first complement plus 1. Okay, so this is the first complement. Now we will add 1 with this first complement. So here this is 1 plus 1 0, carry 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. This is the second complement. It is clear? In this way, first complement and second complement you will get. Okay? It is clear or not?
यस सर।
सर एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर दीजिए।
हाँ, almost the first session is over. Just wait, and after 5